Wala dito, Ben. May
Wala,
signal. Oh, signal?
Wala. Wait.
Close muna lahat yan. Oxford.
Starting route to M46, 9QE. At the roundabout, take the first exit towards Evesham.
Siyang daan. Worcester.
Hindi yan motorway yan.
Ha?
Hindi yan avoid motorway.
Okay lang.
In 3.2 miles, at the roundabout, take the third exit
Pero
towards the
naka-avoid toll.
north.
Ay mga ito toll tayo niyan.
Alam mo paano mag-avoid toll dito.
I-close mo muna. In mo muna.
Avoid toll
Yan oh.
Starting route to M46, 9QE. In 2.8 miles, at the roundabout, take the third exit towards the north.
Nasa na yung cellphone dito charge? Ay kaso, tatanggalin ito.
Tanggal mo.